back to IFX Academy's daily analysis, guys. Yesterday, guys, we were selling this. We hit our first bearish target, guys. After hitting our bearish target, guys, we broke above it and went on to hit our bullish targets. So, guys, for today, let's keep it simple. For today, guys, as long as price is able to stay below uh 1.35009, guys, we are kind of bearish for a correction because it's Friday. So I would like to sell it. Why? Because you may get some type of correction. That's it, nothing else. And I would have only one target because on Fridays, guys, my targets and profits are and losses are small. My target will be 1.34594. And guys, if you break above this, guys, we will be seeing 1.35488 soon. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow.